Hey Math 7 students, it's Mr. Anderson again. Hey, the first con we're doing today is called interpret constants of proportionality. Okay, so the first thing you want to really be thinking about is, remember I talked about last time, you want to do like your change in your y coordinates. Remember, y coordinates are always the second coordinates. So you take the change in your y coordinates divided by your change in your x coordinates, or the first ones that come up. So in this case, what does 5 mean in this situation? So what they're meaning by that is, notice as we went from 5 seconds to 10 seconds, we went up by how much? We went up by 5, right? And as the seconds went up by 5, the words typed went from 1 to 2, which means it takes us 5 seconds to type one word, if that makes sense. So which one down here says it takes him 5 seconds to type a word? Casey takes 5 words per second. No, that's not true. Casey types 5 words per minute. No, that's not true. Casey takes 5 seconds to type a word. That would be the one. So that's the one we choose. All right, let's do the next one. Okay. Amelia uses 6 liters of gasoline to drive 48 kilometers. How many kilometers did Amelia drive per liter? Well, now here's first of all, do you guys see this word per? Per means to divide. So we need to take the number of kilometers, which is 48, and we need to divide that by the number of liters. What is 48 divided by 6? Hopefully you said that is 8. Okay. Then the second one, at that rate, how many liters does it take to drive 1 kilometer? So to do that, we just reverse our dividing. So instead of going 48 divided by 6, we are going to instead do 6 divided by 48. And 6 divided by 48 is 0.125. Pretty simple. All right, next con. Next one is called interpret constant of proportionality in graphs. So here's a graph for us. Harlem makes a snack mix with proportional amounts of cereal and popcorn. Proportional means he keeps doing the same proportion each time. It doesn't mean he uses equal parts popcorn and cereal. It just means he keeps using the same proportion each time. The graph shows how much popcorn he uses with different amounts of cereal to make a snack thing. So down here is question number 1. It says, how many cups of popcorn does Harlem make per cereal? Again, here's that word per. Per means to divide. So we need to take the amount of popcorn and we need to divide it by the amount of cereal. Well, when we're right here, right there, how much popcorn did he use in this spot? He used 2 cups of popcorn divided by 1 cup of cereal. What is 2 divided by 1? Hopefully you said that's 2. Okay. Then they asked it the opposite way. How many cups of cereal does he use per popcorn? So again, per means to divide. So how much cereal divided by popcorn? Well, he uses 1 cup of cereal divided by the 2 cups of popcorn. So 1 divided by 2. All right. Is there any more on this one? I think there is. Let's see here. We got it somewhere in here. There it is. Knew I had one more in here for you. All right. So on this one, this graph shows a relationship between hamster food and the number of days it takes for Gavin's hamster to eat it. Okay. So in this one, notice that there are grams going this direction and days going the other direction. So this point right here represents 30 days. I'm sorry, 30 grams. This point represents 30 grams and 1 day. So what does 30 mean in this situation? It means that the hamster can eat in 1 day, the hamster can eat 30 grams. So which one has the hamster eating 30 grams of food every day? Let's see, what does A say? Hamster eats a gram of food every 30 days. Nope, that's not true. Let's see, this one says Gavin feeds his hamster 1 ounce every 30. No, that's not true. Gavin's hamster eats 30 grams of food per day. That's the one we want right there. And that's how you do this one. All right, guys, you have a great day, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.